2nd of January and it's roasting. I'm sweating. It's crazy weather. Well, not crazy, it's normal I suppose, but it's very hot. Not many people around. There was quite a few down by the entrance in the cafe and everything, but not too many here. A couple over there, look. Coming up to this is where I was swimming. If you remember seeing my thing, I got in the water just there and I went and swam. That's when I jumped in, nearly lost my glasses. If you watch an earlier one, right here by this. Lots and lots of waterfalls here. And there's more.